Today, we will explore three different handheld vacuum models, highlighting their unique features and user experiences. Each product has been carefully selected to cater to various cleaning needs. Let's dive in, starting with the Dyson Humdinger Premium. First, the Dyson Humdinger Premium handheld vacuum stands out with its lightweight and portable design. Weighing only 1.23 kilo, it is extremely light and very easy to use. Its ergonomic design ensures that it won't tire your hand even during extended use. The power button and max mode button eliminate the need for constant trigger pressing, providing a more user-friendly experience. It can be easily stored without taking up much space, thanks to its mountable charging stand. This vacuum is equipped with a powerful motor running at 105,000 RPM. It offers approximately 28 minutes of runtime in normal mode and about 9 minutes in max mode, with a full recharge taking around 2.7 hours. It comes with various attachments, including a mini motorized brush, a crevice tool, and a soft bristle brush for different surfaces. It features an easily washable HEPA filter that helps reduce allergens and should be cleaned monthly. Its 0.08-liter clear dust bin shows when it needs to be emptied, but its small size requires frequent emptying, which can be inconvenient for larger cleaning tasks. Pros include its extremely lightweight and portable design, high suction power, easy use, and allergen-reducing HEPA filter. The cons are the small dustbin needing frequent emptying, incompatibility with accessories from other Dyson models, and a higher price compared to other handheld vacuums. Next, the Shark WV201 WANDVAC stands out with its lightweight and portable design, weighing only 1.4 lbs. This feature makes it very easy to maneuver and use for quick cleaning tasks. Its powerful suction effectively picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dirt in both home and car environments. The vacuum comes with a charging dock for easy storage and a one-touch empty feature, allowing for quick and clean disposal of debris. It includes useful attachments like a crevice tool and an upholstery brush, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. However, due to its compact size, it has a smaller dirt compartment that requires frequent emptying during use. While the Shark WANDVAC excels in ease of use and portability, it does have some drawbacks. The battery life is relatively short, lasting only about 10-15 minutes, and it takes approximately 2.5 hours to recharge. Additionally, the vacuum can be quite noisy, producing a high-pitched sound during operation. Lastly, the Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster is an ideal handheld vacuum for cars due to its lightweight and portable design, weighing only 1.4 lbs. This makes it very easy to maneuver and use for quick cleaning tasks. Its powerful suction effectively picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dirt, making it a reliable tool for both home and car cleaning. The model comes with a charging dock for easy storage and a one-touch empty feature that allows for quick and clean disposal of debris. It includes useful attachments like a crevice tool and an upholstery brush, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. However, due to its compact size, the dustbin is smaller and requires frequent emptying during use. The Black+Decker Dustbuster uses lithium-ion battery technology and fully charges in approximately 4 to 6 hours. A full charge provides 15-20 minutes of continuous cleaning. The smart charge technology automatically shuts off when the battery is fully charged, helping save energy. In conclusion, each of these handheld vacuums offers unique benefits tailored to different cleaning requirements. Consider your specific needs to choose the best option for you.